How to use Steam gift card code. Steam is one of the most popular digital video game distribution platforms to buy and play games. To use a Steam gift card code, follow these steps. Launch the Steam app on your computer or mobile device. Then sign in to your Steam account. Click on your profile in the top right corner and select Account Details. Choose Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code option. Type the code from your gift card in the box provided and click Continue to redeem the code. The funds will be added to your Steam wallet, which you can use to purchase games, DLCs, or other content. If you encounter issues, contact Steam support for assistance. Steam also offers perks like automatic game updates and exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.